This is the latest continuous can carbonization and paint removal equipment developed and produced by our company. The packed, briquettes or flattened cans are first processed into pieces of about 4 centimeters by a shredder, and then added to the drum of the continuous carbonization furnace through a screw feeder. Because the furnace is almost a closed space, it meets the anaerobic conditions, making the can's pyrolysis and carbonization are carried out at a temperature above 400 degrees inside the carbonization furnace. The generated flue gas passes through the recovery pipe, flue gas purification system, and then burns in the burner to heat the main furnace, achieving the effect of reciprocating heating and carbonization. During the initial carbonization preheating, the surface paint of the can begins to carbonize and pyrolyzes out combustible gas to reach a normal production state where it can burn normally. The gas circulates and burns, and there is no smoke emission, and finally pure aluminum is obtained. The can continuous carbonization furnace is an environmentally friendly equipment that can continuously carbonize cans. All the smoke generated during carbonization is recycled. It is currently the most efficient equipment for can recycling.